Hello, everybody. This is a very unique training regimen where I do 6 sets in one, and then I do it 6 different times. So it's 36 sets. What's great and advantageous about this type of training regimen is you're getting cardio, strength training, and also muscle growth all at the same time. So this is an advanced regimen. You know, if you're a beginner, you definitely don't want to try this. You need to be in an advanced stage. It takes a while to get to that type of level and endurance, but you can get through your workouts great. The mindset has to be solid. You can never give up. And I'm telling you, the reward is instant when you get finished with one of these workouts. You're more confident. You know, all the junk in your mind or the depression, anxiety just disappears. It is absolutely incredible how you feel afterwards and following this workout. It just really armors your mind. I don't train as much for my body as I do my mind. My body just kind of comes second, and it really puts me in a very positive headspace. It shows what you can do, you know, when you really commit to something and, you know, you stay the course. The body can do incredible things as long as you start very, very slow and you move up, you know, maybe 1%, you know, every week or every other day, you know. So, you know, I would encourage you to, you know, to at least spend a few minutes in the gym every day and watch the changes that take place in your life. It is absolute. That's what you call a grind.